just going about my day, trying to work, mind my business, and mostly coping with life. You know, the usual. Just another normal day of surviving adulthood. They are back. And of course, they look better than ever. Who, you ask? The Victoria's Secret girls, of course. Back on the ramp looking better than ever. And honestly, genetically just impossible.
You know, it's not even fair. It's so not fair.
So, one mini meltdown and a panic scroll later, I got back to researching the women who've earned these wings. Because let's be honest, these aren't just pretty faces. These women have defied every odd norm and even time itself, walking that ramp year after year and somehow looking better with each passing year. And considering they live on the same planet as you and me, and since diet is like 80% of how we look, I had to know what exactly they've been eating.
And so, like any sane woman would do, I just started researching what do these women eat.
Basically, I was just hunting for alibis. Something, anything to blame these women for. Like maybe they took shortcuts. Ozempic, that wildly popular miracle in a pen everyone swears by. Because let's be honest, blaming chemistry feels so much easier than just accepting genetics and good discipline. Shockingly, there wasn't a single Ozempic confession. No crash diets, no shady shortcuts, nothing. But there was one word, or rather one grain, that kept showing up in every diet, and it sounded suspiciously like Ozempic. Oats. But wait, we've been eating oats for so many years. So how do they eat theirs and look like that while we eat ours and look like us? The genius hacks they use, the ones that make oats work unfairly well for them, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today.
हाय गाइस, मेरा नाम ईशा है और आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ 5 ऐसे डार्क ऑलमोस्ट अनफेयर वेज ऑफ ईटिंग ओट्स टू मेक देम वर्क फॉर यू लाइक ओजेम्पिक, अ लॉट लाइक ओजेम्पिक. So even if you're lazy, broke, practical, wanna be healthy and mostly delusional like me, you can still look like a Victoria's Secret model. So without wasting more time, let's go. So by now you already know that eating oats is healthy, and probably there are more qualified people who will throw in a lot more technical jargon to convince you even more that oats are so healthy. But doing a PhD in a subject and actually putting it to use to get the results that you want are two separate things. And if you're someone like me who's more concerned with the second part, please brush away everything that you know about oats till now and just remember these 3 things that I'm going to tell you, because this is what matters if you want to lose weight as a woman, and this is the solution that where did the oats go? Oats give to us. First, if you're not in a calorie deficit over a long period of time, you will not lose weight. And here's where oats come to the rescue.
So oats fill you up without loading you up. That protein and fiber combo keeps you full for hours. So you eat less without even trying. They even make your body burn a few extra calories just digesting them. Basically, it's food that works harder than you do.
Second, and this applies more for us women, that if your hormones are not regulated right, you will not lose weight even if you're in a calorie deficit. And here's where oats come to the rescue.
So oats tend to keep your insulin steady. So no spikes, no crashes, no 4 p.m. hunger drama. They calm your cortisol too. So your body stops holding up to stress and water. And by keeping hunger hormones in check, you crave less and feel so much more in control.
Third, carbs do make us fat, but we cannot live without carbs. And here's where oats come to the rescue.
Oats release energy slow and steady, so no sugar spikes, no burnout. Their fiber keeps your gut active, your digestion calm, and your waistline honest. It's the kind of fuel a Victoria's Secret girl would swear by. Clean, balanced, and built to last. Slow carbs, smart burn.
Now here's where things get very interesting. Almost all of us have more or less the same resources, same 24 hours, same knowledge of celebrity diets, and same free internet. Yet, some of us, say like the celebrities or the Victoria's Secret models, look disproportionately better than the rest of us. And you know what's even funnier? That all of us know it's healthy, and a lot of us even consume oats on a daily basis, but clearly we are not able to look like those Victoria's Secret model, probably because we are not consuming oats to give us unfair results. And honestly, the most natural answer that comes to even me will be like, oh, they have time, oh, they have money, oh, they can get plastic surgery done. Thankfully, guys, thankfully, especially for fitness, the basics remain the same. It's just maybe 10-15% of effort that maybe plastic surgery can do as a top up, but balance 85% still comes with discipline, boring food, diet, hard work.
The 82nd Golden Globes, Ozempic's biggest night.
So I've always believed that there is no smoke without fire, and this line best explains the mad global rage that Ozempic has become. It's very simple. In a world full of PhD level gyan giving marketing gimmicks and gas, this product works. Yes, it comes with its own set of side effects, but what really doesn't? If you're actually looking for a healthy, natural, side effect free, equally effective alternative to Ozempic,
New weight loss trend taking over TikTok in the face of the rising cost of drugs used for weight loss. Some are turning to an oat-based shake being called Ozempic that they claim can lead to Ozempic-like results.
And just like Ozempic, Ozempic also went viral because it works. Women everywhere say that it kills hunger, keeps them full for hours, and helps the scale move faster than anything else that they've tried. It mimics the same fullness hormones that Ozempic triggers, but does it naturally through food. Both slow digestion, steady your appetite, and boost calorie burn for all day long. You stay full, eat cleaner, and feel that calm, effortless control everyone else has been chasing.
let's make the Ozempic smoothie.
Start with oats, they're low calorie and keep you full for hours. Add psyllium husk and it'll clean up your gut and cut all your cravings. A pinch of cinnamon to steady blood sugar and lemon juice to reduce all the water retention and bloating. Then add 1 tall glass of water and blend it all together till smooth. You'll find the detailed recipe and measurements in the description below.
This beverage keeps you disproportionately full. So leave alone appetite suppression. You would want to not eat for like longer, and even when you eat, you'll eat lesser. Second, you need to have oats for dinner.
Because let's be honest, dinner is when most of us fall apart. The cravings, the stress, the Netflix snacking, it's the perfect storm. And that's exactly why timing your oats here changes everything. See, the world told you that the oats are a breakfast food. But that's the plot twist. They work 10 times better at night. When your hormones are calm, your cravings are high, and your body is desperate for something filling yet forgiving.
Oats manage your hormones, and hence they manage your hunger psychology, which means that your midnight binge eating interests will go away altogether. They make for like the best controlled carb refeed. They will get your body literally in the rest and repair mode. So as you sleep, your body will be able to process, recuperate, and be fresh the next day.
Now here's the catch. Models have oats for breakfast because they're already at their goal size. They're maintaining, not chasing. But for the rest of us still getting there, flipping it to dinner works better. Say a carrot oats raita at night keeps you full, calm, and still in a deficit. It's not about another soup and salad scam. It's the real food that nourishes, repairs, and quietly burns while you sleep.
I'm going to give you the explanation alongside showing you a recipe. Let's go.
Start with dry roasting your oats. This deepens the flavor and helps your body digest them better. Once they are golden, blend them into a fine powder. This makes them light, filling, and quicker to absorb. Then take low-fat curd. This cools down the system, balances hormones, and adds natural probiotics. Now mix it all. Curds, oats powder, carrots, a little rock salt, chaat masala, water, and a quick tadka of mustard seeds, curry leaves, and green chili if you like. Simple, real food. No packets, no preservatives, no drama. So here's the thing. Oats at PM will get you thinner. Simple. And honestly, tell me, do you really think these celebrities look like this by ordering pizza and noodles off Zomato? Come on. They show you one thing, eat another, and sell you the in-betweens. Truth is, clean, boring, homemade food like this works but doesn't sell. If people started trusting simple food again, half the food and fitness industry will just collapse overnight. This one's tested in real time and approved by your friendly lab rat, aka me. So stick to the cheat sheet rules. Stay in calorie deficit, don't cheat, eat dinner at least 2 hours before the bed, and watch your body quietly transform.
Next point, you can double up oats as your post-workout meal and your daily dessert for the rest of your life, and you'll continue losing weight.
Because for someone who's still a work in progress, not maintaining but building that goal body, that post workout meal gets tricky. Sure, models make it look easy. They train light, recover fast, and already sit close to their goal shape. But for the most of us, the body is exhausted, calorie burned, and mostly running on fumes. You've got to recover and stay in a deficit. Not simple, not cute, but totally doable. Whey protein takes care of half the job. It repairs muscle without loading calories. The other half, that's where oats step in unfairly well if you eat them smartly. Even the biggest bodybuilders swear by oats in their shakes, their omelets, and their prep meals. And Victoria's Secret girls eat them too. They just make their bowls prettier. The trick isn't what you eat, it's how. Our version of oats looks different, tastes richer, and still stays low calorie. And consider putting this on your fridge. When you're trying to lose weight, oats are the only carb that actually gives back. They refill you without undoing any of your efforts.
When oats are consumed with whey protein tends to digest super fast, and oats as slow carbs take a lot of time. So together they make for like the ultimate post-recovery meal.
Girls, remember the carrot oat meal I'm sharing next might not be Pinteresty pretty, but this one actually works. It makes you thinner, fuels your post-workout recovery, and doubles up as your daily diet dessert. It doesn't just make you look good, it makes you glow from the inside, and that is the real flex.
So I usually have my protein shake alongside carrot oats. If you want, you can actually put a scoop of unflavored, very important, unflavored whey protein within your carrot oats. Your pudding will actually just get like just a lot thicker. I personally like the idea of having it separately because I don't know, it fills me up even more.
So the natural sweetness from carrots is usually enough for me, but if you ever miss the real dessert vibe, add an occasional sachet of stevia just for that little emotional fix. And with that, we come to the next point.
So this is carrots and oats. They make up the best dessert that I have almost throughout the winter as my post-workout meal. See?
It's comforting and without guilt. The kind of food that actually feels like therapy after training. Now look, models do look unfairly attractive, and as much as we'd love to roll our eyes, they still set the fashion and beauty standards. Not all of them do crazy things to stay that way, but dessert, now that's totally off limits. Oats though, that's the loophole. They're one of those rare grains that work both sweet and savory. Of course, you can't drown them in sugar, but with a few tweaks, they make for like the perfect dessert dupe. I reimagine mine as dessert, and life's been thinner, warmer, and happier ever since.
For me, this is my version of gajar ka halwa, and it is so incredibly yum. Let's eat it together.
Take 3 tablespoons of oats and dry roast them on low flame. You'll smell the nuttiness when it's ready. Now add a spoon of pumpkin seeds for crunch and a pinch of crushed cardamom. That's what gives it that warm halwa-like aroma even before the milk goes in. Now pour in a cup of water and let it all come together. You'll know it's right when it starts smelling like comfort in a pan. Now add about 100 grams of grated carrot. That's your natural sweetness. Keep stirring. Pour in 200 ml of low-fat milk and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. The thicker it gets, the richer it tastes. And that, girls, is your dessert dupe. The one that actually gets you thinner. So girls, if you've ever wanted a dessert that actually fits your goals and makes you thin, then this is it. Oats give you fiber, slow carbs, and fullness without spikes. Add carrots in winter for natural sweetness and warmth. It's comfort that actually helps you cut fat and not gain it.
Oats and eggs are an invincible duo in case you want to lose weight. Half the world knows it, swears by it, but it needs to be done smartly. And believe me, you will never need any help in losing weight for the rest of your life.
Because results are literally the best motivation. Just like Ozempic, the eggs and oats diet is unfairly famous because it works. And not just for quick loss, but for actually reshaping how your body looks and feels. I've made a full video on the modified egg diet, not to lose weight fastest, but to look better while losing it. It meets every nutritional need and preps you for the long game: strength, shape, and stamina. Now, it's not rocket science to know that eggs and oats are healthy, but the pattern and timing you eat them in, that's what does all the work. Most people already eat these, just not in the format that it delivers unfairly. That's like owning a great tool and never using it right. And yes, I've made a vegetarian version too. The link's in the description. And of course, there'll be people who will try to scare you, saying it's unhealthy or extreme. But that's because if you realize losing weight is actually this simple, not easy, but simple, how will they sell you this needlessly expensive and mostly useless fixes? The truth is, most of what works does not look glamorous, doesn't come in a packet, nor does it have a 10-minute delivery. It's discipline, courage, timing, and logic. And if that threatens their business model, you most certainly know you're doing something right.
So guys, ये था मेरा video about oats and Ozempic. I really hope it helps you in your fitness journey and gets you closer to looking like those Victoria's Secret girls. While we've obsessed about those girls, please know that they pay a very heavy price through a madly strict routine, discipline, workout, and of course they have been able to earn the machinery that gets them closer and keeps them there. Don't let it get to you, but please try your best, because I mean it, there is no feeling greater than looking your absolute best. That does come with being leaner. Start oats in winters and get like your best body very soon. I'll see you soon. Bye.